We want to make sure that everyone knows during the upcoming Montlake Bridge closures that we are fully open for business and you can make your appointments in the regular fashion. The locations impacted are UW Medical Center Montlake, our sports medicine clinic at the stadium, and our Ravenna and Roosevelt clinics. First responder vehicles will be able to cross the bridge, so please don't delay any emergent care. We are fully open for business and we are here to take care of you. We encourage all patients to plan extra time to account for detours and unexpected traffic. In addition, it's our goal to reach out to all patients who have scheduled appointments during this time frame, but please plan ahead and allow yourself plenty of time. We'd encourage everyone who can to take the light rail because the light rail will not be closed during this time frame. Also, bikes and pedestrian traffic will be able to cross the bridge. We have additional information on this on our website, uwmedicine.org, and we appreciate everyone's patience as we work through this and take care of your healthcare needs during this time.